Hello everyone! Today we're going to address a common issue that many 3D printing enthusiasts face, especially when printing at high speeds, models detaching from the build platform. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, there are a few simple strategies you can use to prevent this problem. The first solution is to increase the surface area of the model's base by adding an outer brim. Most slicing software, like Flashforge, allows you to easily apply a brim to your model. This additional material increases the surface area in contact with the platform, helping the first layer adhere more strongly. Another simple trick is applying a layer of glue to the platform. This is particularly effective when you're dealing with a smooth build surface. A thin layer of glue can provide the extra bit of stickiness to help the first layer stay in place. Just apply it evenly on the platform before printing, and it will reinforce the adhesion. Lastly, consider slowing down your print speed. While high-speed printing is tempting, reducing the speed can prevent the nozzle from accidentally bumping into the model. A slower speed gives the extruder more time to place each layer carefully, minimizing the chance of detachment. Feel free to share this tutorial with other users. If you have any further questions, please leave your comments below. We will update this video soon.